इंटरेस्टिंग सा आर्टिकल पढ़ा था मैंने फोर्ब्स में. मोस्ट ऑफ द वुमेन एक्चुअली सेड दैट वी फियर सक्सेस. Hi Aditi, welcome on Raw with Sneha. We are going to be talking about women and growth.
So I work as a high performance leadership coach. So I meet leaders in men and women who are already very good. And now my job is to study them, study their personality, study the business and identify कि इनको और improve करने के लिए क्या करना है.
Yeah.
As a woman, I observe this a lot. Other women who are in leadership position, they have to convince themselves that I do have the authority to say something.
When it comes to housewives and when they have suddenly started something, some business, the family people sort of don't understand that okay, she has something else to even take care of.
हम accept करके चलते हैं कि appreciation नहीं मिलेगा. Does it still matter to you? If men know 6 things out of 10, they claim promotion. And if women do not know all 10 things out of 10, they don't even ask for promotion.
Yeah, why do they feel that we are not good enough all the time?
Because
how does one actually switch on the growth mode?
बॉडी और माइंड का कोऑर्डिनेशन इतना ब्यूटीफुल है कि अगर उसको क्रैक कर दे तो वी कैन यूज आवर फिजिकल मूवमेंट to create a mental shift. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. This is something athletes have been using forever. हर किसी का हक है ना इस टूल पे. So after a lot of experimenting and research, I found a loop breaking. Okay. So what are you going to do?
Hey you, welcome on Raw with Sneha. I am your host Sneha Desai. And if you are somebody who wants to expand their mind, heal their heart and evolve into their highest self, then you're at the right place. Go hit that subscribe button because with every episode of Raw, we are here to transform your lives. In this episode, we are going to be talking to Aditi Surana, who's a high performance coach. She coaches some of the best companies to increase their productivity and growth. The intention of this podcast is to turn your fears into your superpowers. You're going to be learning some of the tools and techniques to switch on your growth mode. And for all the women viewers out there, this episode is going to be a Bible because we are going to be talking about some major mindset blocks that women go through when it comes to growth and success. So get ready because this is a masterclass. Let's begin. Let's roll. Hi Aditi.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. Welcome on Raw with Sneha.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy I'm here.
And I am happy that we are going to be talking about women and growth. And it is Navratri. So I think it makes it even more special. Navratri being the goddess energy, the feminine energy, and it's all about power.
Yes.
And I think we've been planning to do this podcast since quite a few months, and then finally it's happening at the right time.
It always falls in place. Right?
Yes, and I'm so happy to do this with you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
So, before we start the podcast, the whole intention of this podcast, because it's Navratri also, I would want that this actually helps people like women to break free from all that they are holding and to actually grow, because you help people switch on the growth mode and to grow in life.
Yes.
So I'm so excited for this.
Thank you. Thank you. And I feel कई बार हम लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं, औरतों के बारे में बात करते हैं, we really have this idea of ideal woman, and I think that is only killing us the most. So I want to talk about, like, if you want to really grow, we have to genuinely, deeply change the way we understand what our idea of being a woman is, and as a woman and as a man, both.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So when we talk about women and when we talk about growth, okay, so पहले एक feeling आ जाता है, एक uncomfortable feeling, एक overwhelming feeling कि if I'm growing as a woman, that means I am sacrificing a lot of things, I'm leaving behind a lot of things. And I think most women also feel that kind of little bit of fear when it comes to growth. Why is that so?
Why? Because हमारे पास role models कहाँ है?
Okay.
If you go back generationally, when you look at, like, say, Rani Lakshmi Bai, or if you look at a mythological character, कोई भी औरत जिसने traditional situation से बाहर जाके कुछ करने की कोशिश की है, even in our stories for that matter, she had to pay a price for it. So you have to mentally always negotiate. अगर मुझे कुछ अलग करना है, अगर मुझे अपने हक की personality, हक का business, हक की identity बनानी है, so it will come at a cost. और this is not a very conscious thing क्योंकि आपकी family ने आपको बोला है. It is a subconscious programming because हमारे पास role models नहीं थे अब तक. Like until the last generation, I wanted to say in India, पर ये globally है कि as women, there were very few women who were like, showcased for being extremely successful. Most of us had to pay a price to be there. And the price is not a big price, it's every day. हर दिन की छोटी छोटी चॉइसेस में जब हमें नेगोशिएट करना पड़ता है, दैट इज अ प्राइस. कि मैं ज़्यादा ना बोल दूँ, आई शुडंट बी स्टेपिंग ऑन समवन्स टोज, दे शुडंट फील कि आई एम टेकिंग देयर क्रेडिट. वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली डूइंग दैट इन आवर हेड. और ये समझने के बावजूद कि अरे नहीं, पर ये तो माई पोजिशन इज दैट. लाइक फॉर एज अ वुमन, I observe this a lot. Other women who are in leadership position, they have to convince themselves that I do have the authority to say something.
Okay.
For men, they're like, of course, it's my authority to say it. So, ये social conditioning का part है. I know we are changing a lot. I know we have come very far. But I also feel that we require an environment जहाँ पे ये ज़्यादा हो सके, कहीं ज़्यादा.
Yeah, that is so true. I mean, Indira Nui, the former PepsiCo CEO, she once said that women always need to go that extra mile, and there is nothing like work-life balance. She means like you're constantly juggling to keep your family happy and to keep your work in place. And if somebody like her can also go through this, and as you just said that you meet people who are at very good positions in the corporate and they still have this feeling.
So I work as a high performance leadership coach. So I meet leaders in men and women who are already very good.
Yeah.
Right. And now my job is to study them, study their personality, study the business and identify कि इनको और improve करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Right. So I get to see those parts of people which are otherwise not available to even themselves.
Got it.
जब तक वो बातों में नहीं आते, उनको पता ही नहीं होता कि मैं ऐसे सोच भी रही हूँ या सोच भी रहा हूँ. So when people see that gap, the gaps are very internal mind blocks gaps.
And as you said that you are a high performance coach, like where you work with leaders, do you think that because you meet these people quite often, do you think that growth for men at a certain position and growth for women at a certain position is different?
It is, but I just want to answer your question about Indra Nooyi's statement about work-life balance. एक तो work-life balance होता ही नहीं है, किसी के लिए भी नहीं होता वो, औरतों के लिए भी नहीं होता, because this whole idea of balancing this makes you feel कि आपको दोनों equally लेके चलना है.
हाँ.
That's the image that you get, right?
Yeah.
And that's the problem. Life में कभी कोई चीज, सब चीजें equally नहीं हो सकती.
Yeah.
Forget
You're like
about
sailing on two boats, like you're trying to...
4.
Yeah. Something.
Four. Yeah, like, sometimes. So what you can do is you can jump on this boat and that boat and this boat. At a time, one boat you can manage. But you always have to make sure that there are multiple boats that are active. When the work-life balance idea happens and it's given to a woman, she's just constantly struggling to do everything at 100.
Yeah.
And I have learned from these amazing leaders कि नहीं होगा, 100 सब नहीं होगा. It's okay. You have to choose आज कौन से एरिया में I can do 70. As a business owner, any man or a woman would know this कि if you have 7 areas to take care of, you're responsible as an entrepreneur, all 7s won't be 100.
Yeah.
So you have to choose today's battle. You have to choose today's work. You have to choose sometimes doing nothing so that you can recharge yourself enough so that you can show up better.
Yeah.
So all of these things are choices.
Yes.
And I always feel growth is a choice.
Yes, it
So
is.
so if a woman wants to grow beyond all of this, somewhere we have to change our story. Instead of saying ki, I'm not getting the equal opportunity and I'm not getting what I required, I'm not getting the right kind of environment, which is true. It's not like that would change because you have a point of view or आपको कुछ अलग करना, ऐसा नहीं होगा. It is true. But the point is, I always ask myself, and I think that is helpful, it's like, how do I change things for me? How do I change things for other people who would be in the same situation?
Okay.
So you pick that battle and you start making that change because that is in my control.
Okay.
But if I keep focusing on things which are not in my control, I'll always feel like a victim of a situation or life or society that does not give me equal right.
That is so true.
But I'm like, नहीं दे रहे ना, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Yes. So you actually get the focal lens on yourself and you have to take charge of your life somewhere or the other.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. And I feel if I do that, if anybody does that, and if you learn to like really see, okay, now I don't have a skill set to do this, I don't have skill set to do that, people, men and women alike, would really give you the space to take your space. Like, I started working as a coach when I was 21, as a behavioral expert when I was 19.
Wow.
And most of the people I worked with then were the men who believed in my talent. Because leadership position में औरतें तभी भी कम थी, आज भी unfortunately कम ही है. But that time, if they looked at a little kid who was trying to say something, they could have dismissed me saying that, oh, ये बच्ची क्या बताएगी?
Yeah, because you were 19. So, I mean, and if you are coaching people who are at leadership positions, I mean, it's easy to
Dismiss.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they did not. Thankfully. They looked at me and they saw that I'm not giving them information. I'm giving them some insight that they're like, oh, interesting. So they looked at me for the talent and not for being a woman or a girl.
Got it.
And I think that's so powerful.
Yeah.
That's so just, you know, I would not say कि ये possible नहीं है. हमें थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. पर अगर तैयारी है वो करने की, तो रास्ते भी खुलेंगे.
Yes. I think you've said so many things right now, and you've touched base upon every mindset block that women face somewhere or the other. And I want to get into details of those. And you being a coach, I would want that the viewers take back like how they can identify what's stopping them to how they can change them, how you can actually help their fears becoming their superpowers somewhere or the other.
That's so nice because I feel, you know, personality is a process.
Okay.
आप अभी जहाँ पे भी हो लाइफ में जो भी चल रहा है अभी का ये पॉइंट जो है आई लाइक द थॉट कि ये पॉइंट मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है यू लाइक पर ये हुआ था बीच में अरे ये प्रॉब्लम हुई थी नो प्रॉब्लम टुडे इज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट राइट नाउ इज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट व्हाई बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग अ डिफरेंट डिसीजन सो यू सेइंग आज मुझे अपने बारे में ये चीजें चेंज करनी है एंड आई वांट टू बिकम दैट पर्सन फॉर इंस्टेंस सो ये रेसिपी बनानी है तो क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए
आज क्या चाहिए
आज
और
क्या
आज मेरे
चाहिए?
पास क्या है
कल का खाना खा लिए
लिया।
हो चुका खत्म नाउ इफ यू कैन डू दिस कि आज मुझे शुरुआत करनी है एंड आई रियली वांट आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन टुडे टू गो टू दैट डायरेक्शन जहाँ पे हम लोगों को टूल्स दे सके
Yes.
एग्जैक्ट क्या करना है वो बता सके सो दैट यू कैन जस्ट गो बैक एंड यूज देम एज मेथड्स दैट यू कैन फॉलो
100%.
let's jump in.
Yes. And also one very important, like very beautiful point you said that, you know, पिछली बातें छोड़ना. कहीं ना कहीं we are also stuck with the idea that patriarchal society थी, है, रहेगी, and we are using that कि नहीं इसलिए मैं शायद से grow नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. ठीक है, वो था, maybe that situation was there, but we just spoke before the podcast like how men are stepping up.
Oh my God. I
Somewhere or the
can't.
other.
I'm a big believer of the new generation of men who are genuinely taking care of strong women.
Yes.
Yeah, they don't know have like they have never seen this. They don't have role models. They don't have references. उनके पापा ने कभी मम्मी के करियर के लिए बहुत मेहनत नहीं की है. उनके पास कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है कि करना क्या है. But having said that, as the leaders that they are, as intelligent men that they are, मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा इस जनरेशन के जो men हैं वो बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं and that's incredible. I'll give you an example. I was coaching a leader from a banking sector and उनकी wife, she was an IIT and an IIM and she got pregnant and this was like, you know, both of them at a very high position in their careers, both of them doing very well. And she was tagged as a high performer in her organization. And then she got pregnant and she took a break for her pregnancy.
Yeah.
By the time she came back, she was not in her band of a high performer.
Okay.
She had to start 2 levels below. And if you know corporate structures,
Yeah.
2 levels below is like 3 years of work again.
Yes.
And she's like, that's unfair. That's not okay. But she had to accept the decision.
Yeah, because she has the talent, she has the skill.
Everything. She
Yeah.
just took a break. Right?
Yeah.
And that's why women are like scared of making these decisions and all of that. And he realized it and he said, that's not fair. Now, being a HR professional and head in his organization, he went back and he created a policy for all the women in his organization that whatever band that you are in,
Okay.
you will come back after pregnancy and join the same band.
Wow.
That's so
That's
nice.
beautiful.
इमेजिन लाइक वो जो स्ट्रगल है, उन्होंने देखा ये प्रॉब्लम है और मेरी वाइफ के साथ गलत हुआ है. ही इज नॉट लाइक गलत हुआ है तो क्या कर सकते हैं सोसाइटी. ही इज लाइक नो नो नो, इन माय पोजीशन ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड पावर आई वुड चेंज एंड आई वुड मेक इट easier for every other woman that I come across.
And to kind of change the whole structure, like the entire structure.
Of a big corporate
Yeah.
organization in India is not an easy.
It's not an easy thing.
But that is what I feel men are doing. They're learning how to be fathers better, more involved partners. They're just like, they're more accommodative for their wives to like, take spaces. Also, like, there's so many men who would just be cheerleader for their friends who are girls.
Yes.
So I think that whole environment is changing.
Yeah.
And we shouldn't stop acknowledging it.
Yeah.
Because बहुत मेहनत लगती है यार.
Yes.
हमें बताया गया सालों से कि दबके औरतों को कैसे रहना चाहिए. हमें नहीं बताया गया कि औरतों को स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे होना चाहिए. वैसे like the men also do not know what to do with us.
And they are taking efforts. I mean, we have to give it to them also at some point. Like, एक example मेरे एक friend का था. I remember like when they got married, she was at a better position work-wise, and he wasn't doing that well in his career. Like, he was trying to figure out his life at that moment. And when they had kids, I remember the guy taking a back seat and being at home and letting her do her jobs. And I see them today, and it's beautiful. Like, I feel like, and he's ready to, so she got some promotion and she had to do a work trip to London, and he's like, you know what, I'll come with you, I'll be there for you. I mean, that's beautiful. Like,
Beautiful.
Ki and Ka, that movie, how they've shown a glimpse.
As women, we are supposed to do this, right? Like, take a back seat, not like, complain about it, be the supporting actor in someone's lead film.
Yeah.
Now that the men are doing it, I think it's high time. And also, it's wonderful that they're doing it.
Yeah. No, and as you just said that, now the gender roles somewhere with time are also diluting, because it's now about who has the skill set and who's doing what. And men are also being supportive. At the same time, I feel women have their own kind of dialogues or that mental blocks which are stopping them now somewhere or the other.
Of course.
And that is also because, as you said, that वो generation से चल रहा है. वो पिछली story है जो बार बार पढ़ी जा रही है. And people are not able to come out of that state of inertia somewhere or the other.
And that is what I feel we got to change and challenge here.
Yeah.
So, सबसे पहले, if you're a woman who is in a very strong position, let's remember, or if you aspire to do that, आपकी career की जो peak वाली growth है, वो आपके पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप के चॉइसेस एंड पर्सनल फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस से मैच और क्लैश करेंगे.
Yeah, can you give an example?
फॉर इंस्टेंस, अगर आपके करियर में आप 30 के आसपास हो, दैट इज अ टाइम जहाँ पे आपकी फर्स्ट लीडरशिप पोजीशन हो रही है, यू आर फिगरिंग थिंग्स आउट, एंड लाइक अदर मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स, यू आर गेटिंग योर फर्स्ट फ्यू रियली इंपॉर्टेंट प्रमोशन.
Yes.
Mostly people get married at the same time.
Yeah.
So now they're figuring out, अच्छा ये भी हो रहा है और वो भी हो रहा है, or they have like their first child at
Yeah,
that
the
time.
biological clock is already ticking.
So you have to have a child. Now they're like, oh, so now I have this career thing which is like really going well, and now I have a kid and I'm figuring both of them together, and that is where now
The chaos begins.
chaos begins.
Yeah.
Now, अच्छा चलो ये हो गया, एक part हो गया. At 40, you're like really thriving in your career. You figured your 30 wala dilemma. Now you're like a very strong expert, at least 15,
Like,
20 years of
Yeah,
experience.
like you're at a stable position
Stable
now. 40.
position.
Yeah.
And now, when you're like, okay, now I want to take the thing ahead, most of the time, you have something called menopause. Your biological clock is not ticking. Now it is like unwinding and doing something to your body, and you have like these emotional mood swings, and you have all of these chemical changes. And we believe that we should like not talk about them, like our period pain, and we should just show up as if nothing is happening.
Yeah. That's so true.
And I speak to women, and there's an expert I kind of involve in some leadership lab, even if I'm doing only for women leadership lab, where she takes a session on menopause, and she takes a session on what are the physiological changes that you're going through. And let's accept that if we are not given different kind of tools to deal with our own emotions, then our emotions become real and they affect our leadership decisions and everything else.
Yeah.
And then people are like, अच्छा पर आप रहने दो. You're not stable, because how much would you hide? At some point it escapes you, and then you have a reaction. But that's not because we shouldn't grow. That's because we should be given tools to do that.
Yeah. And that's what it is about being a woman. We have our periods, we have menopause, we have a child to take care of if you have a kid. You have marriage, you have in-laws, but that's what makes it beautiful. Like for you, growth can also be different. And for men, maybe they don't have all these things, but they have that other set of issues.
I would say, I would rephrase that point
Yeah.
and say that as a woman, your professional growth and your personal responsibility, if they're not in sync, and if you don't feel in control, everything goes for a toss.
100%.
And
yeah.
that's what we have to like learn to enhance. And that's why I believe growth mode on is a mental switch.
I was just coming there. What is growth mode on? Because you keep talking about it.
So growth mode on is a kind of adaptation of a very beautiful concept called growth mindset
Okay.
by Carol Dweck. She did an entire research of all her life, which is about, she wrote a book called Mindset. So if you are to reading, you must highly recommended book Mindset by Carol Dweck. Okay.
Okay.
So she went and studied school kids, like really young kids, and they realized कि जब उनको एग्जाम दी गई जो बहुत टफ थी कोई टॉपिक की, सो कुछ बच्चों ने कहा भाई हमें ये एग्जाम वापस नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज इट वाज टू स्ट्रेसफुल, आई डोंट वांट टू गो थ्रू दिस पेन अगेन, एंड दे रिफ्यूज टू लाइक शो अप फॉर एनीथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड दे वर किड्स सो दे कुड लाइक बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट अनलाइक अदर पीपल, सो दे सेड नहीं हमें नहीं करना, एंड दे केप्ट अवॉइडिंग इट. सो व्हेनेवर द टॉपिक ऑफ दैट टेस्ट केम दे जस्ट केप्ट डूइंग अदर थिंग्स, but there were other kids who were really keen to take that exam again. They're like, I failed at it. It wasn't good. I couldn't do it. I want to do it again. I want to do it again. And she's like, who are these people? Why are they excited about a problem that they could not solve? And then she started observing adults with the same mindset. And she realized that there are people who have what she calls fixed mindset and other people who have growth mindset.
Okay.
And what is the idea between fixed and growth? Fixed mindset is where you want to have a formula for success. You want to have a step-by-step process where you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and get to an answer.
Yeah.
Okay? जैसे हमें स्कूल में बताया जाता है कि ये सवाल का ये जवाब है, अगर इसके अलावा आप जो भी लिखो तो आपको वो रेड कलर से हमें वो क्रॉस
So
मिलता
you just
था.
mug it up and you just put it.
Write whatever is expected
Expected.
out of you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we get used to and trained and in a way entrained to do this over and over and over again.
Yeah.
Which means all our formative years, पूरी school life, college life,
यही किया है.
हम एक सवाल का एक जवाब एक ही तरीके से देने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
Right? That trains your mind to have one problem, one solution. And that, according to her, if you don't get it, you're like, I don't want to do this. I'm not sure that I have all the steps, I will not do this.
Yeah, because you'll feel challenged. Yeah.
And you feel anxious,
Yeah.
you feel out of control.
Yeah.
So that is a fixed mindset
Mindset.
according to her.
Okay.
Okay. And what is a growth mindset? Where she says, okay, growth mindset, where you really look at a problem, where you don't have an answer, and you say, I don't have talent for it. Like those kids, they say, but I don't have a talent for it. Let me build talent for it.
That's beautiful.
So you feel excited about things that you cannot do, but you're interested in, and then you put in efforts, you try other things, you like ask questions, you're okay to fail. And I found this book in 2008.
Okay.
And I read it, I thought it, I've like, studied it like a big book, holy book or something. And I realized that it is nice and it's wonderful. पर हम सभी में दोनों होते हैं. हम कभी कभी फिक्स माइंडसेट में जाते हैं, कभी कभी ग्रोथ माइंडसेट में जाते हैं, और तब मुझे पता चला कि एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट अ बैड आइडिया टू हैव अ फिक्स मोड. इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू हैव अ ग्रोथ मोड, बट फिक्स मोड के भी बेनिफिट्स है, ग्रोथ मोड के भी बेनिफिट्स.
आई थिंक लाइक ह्यूमन के लाइक बेसिक नीड्स है कहीं ना कहीं. तो एक होता है सिक्योरिटी. तो फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट कम्स इन लाइक आई फील सिक्योर्ड,
बट ऑल्सो इट गिव्स यू लाइक अ रेसिपी.
या
जैसे अगर आपके कोई सर्जन है, यू डोंट वांट द सर्जन टू एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हाइल ही इज इन अ सर्जन.
एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ शॉर्ट
आप एसओपी फॉलो करो, आपको जो बोला है वो स्टेप्स, दैट इज अ फिक्स मोड, बट दैट्स एन एसेंशियल फिक्स मोड.
या
अगर आप कोई चीज बहुत लोगों का खाना पका रहे हो, और if you want to get it right for everybody, you have to follow the exact measurements and exact procedure.
Yeah.
Now that is a fixed mode. So instead of a mindset, I realize it's a mode. Like AC के switch होते हैं मोड, वैसे हमें स्विच करते आने चाहिए कि जब चाहिए मैं फिक्स मोड में जाऊँ, जो मेरे लिए ट्रेनिंग से नेचुरल बना दिया गया है इतने सालों के, और जब मुझे चाहो तो मैं ग्रोथ मोड ऑन कर पाऊँ. तो ये स्विचिंग ऑफ द मोड इज व्हाट आई फील मस्ट हैपन इन एवरीडे लाइफ.
ओके.
जो कई बार हम नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज वी गेट स्टक इनटू लाइक ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए.
Okay.
उसके कारण बहुत है, you know, like it could be what will people judge me for, will I fail, whatever, but I'm like okay, ये बहुत सारे कारणों में I'm standing here right now at point A and I want to go there, I don't know how to go there. Can I switch on my growth mode? And that is what, like, a mental choice that I want to make. I don't want to be stuck with like a perfection that is pulling me down as an idea, or like fear of failure, or I don't want people to like judge me, and I don't want to be worried about all of this. I want to say, wait, this is where I stand. And now that I stand here, यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? So I have this way of starting the growth mode on.
You were saying that in everyday life, we are going to be using both the modes,
Yes,
fixed and growth,
yes.
non-stop. And that's the way where we actually start growing in life overall.
जब तक हमें कोई चीज नहीं आ रही है और हम उसको सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, what are we doing? We say, oh, that is a way of doing it. Let me get there. Okay? Now we got there. उसके बाद हम रुक जाते हैं. उसके बाद हम ये नहीं कहते, अच्छा now I got it. How can I make it better?
Better.
वो नहीं करते हम. ये चैलेंज है. हम सिर्फ टूटी हुई चीजों को फिक्स करते हैं. हम ये नहीं सोचते कि पर ये मुझे आ रहा है, ये बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. How do I take it to the next level now that I do it well?
Yeah.
We wait for things to come to us and function in a certain manner. We don't say ki, okay, whatever is happening, can I improve things that are not working? Wait, and can I improve things that are working?
Beautiful.
That is a growth mode on.
Okay.
कि मुझे जरूरत नहीं है चीजों को टूटने तक वेट करने की, but I have trained my mind to see, oh, this is going well, can I make it better?
Yeah.
Oh, this is not going well, can I make it better?
So ये कैसे करना है?
सो कई बार जब हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस एक हैबिचुअल पैटर्न में चलना शुरू हो जाता है, सो वी गेट स्टक ऑन आवर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. वी जस्ट कीप डूइंग द सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. वी आर लाइक, अच्छा ये चीजें जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए, राइट? योर बॉडी गेट्स यूज्ड टू एग्जैक्टली दैट. इट्स नॉट ओनली अ मेंटल थिंग. हमारी बॉडी की भी वो आदतें बन जाती है.
So much about growth mode. So how does one actually switch on the growth mode?
वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन. सो कई बार हम जब सोचते हैं तो
हाँ.
हम हमारी थॉट को सिर्फ सोच के नहीं बदल सकते. यू नो, समटाइम्स यू फीलिंग एंग्शियस एंड यू वांट टू ब्रेक द पैटर्न ऑफ फीलिंग एंग्शियस. तुम्हें पता चल रहा है कि तुम ओवरथिंक कर रही हो
हाँ.
और तुम्हें ब्रेक करना है, पर वो थिंकिंग से ओवर थिंकिंग ब्रेक करना डिफिकल्ट है.
नहीं, in fact, yeah, it gets you in a more worst loop. Like कि
Right,
मैं
yeah.
overthink कर रही हूँ but कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ.
So what is a way to break that pattern?
हाँ.
Is use your body.
Oh, okay.
So we can actually use our physical movements as a disruptor. And luckily, 12 years ago, I did my yoga teacher's training course in Rishikesh. And when you spend a lot of time studying this subject, you realize कि body और mind का coordination इतना beautiful है कि अगर उसको crack कर दे तो we can use our physical movement to create a mental shift. And those could be macro movements or they could be micro movements. और ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, rocket science नहीं है. This is something athletes have been using forever. वो कहते हैं ना कि मेरे गेम से पहले मेरा एक रूटीन होता है, एक रिचुअल होता है. Why are they doing it? Because they're like, I want to get everything in place so that my mind and my body is so aligned that when I take action, I know what action I'm taking. I'm tuned in. हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते tune in? And something actually I thought like athletes and I thought other high performers. So वो करते करते मुझे पता चला कि पर हर किसी का हक है ना इस टूल पे.
हाँ.
हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते
Yeah.
physical activation to switch on a particular mindset?
Yeah.
So after a lot of experimenting and research, I found a loop breaking, okay? So what you got to do, and you can stand and do this, you can sit and do it, you can do it anywhere. But when you realize कि मैं एक चीज पे ना बहुत फिक्सेटेड हो रहा हूँ या एक चीज से निकल नहीं पा रहा हूँ या मुझे ओवरवेल्म फील हो रहा है अभी इस सिचुएशन में, विच इज योर फिक्स मोड. लाइक फिक्स मोड अच्छा है जब तक आपकी रेसिपी चल रही है. एक पॉइंट के बाद हम जानते हैं कि हमारी रेसिपी नहीं चल रही है और हम आगे जाना चाहते हैं पर अभी डर लग रहा है या वो जो भी हो रहा है. एंड नाउ आई वांट टू स्विच ऑन अ ग्रोथ मोड दैट विल गिव मी a pattern break from like that loop or that spiral that is happening.
Yes.
So all you do in your mind or physically initially जब नए हो करोगे साथ में.
हाँ, I will do it. Why not?
So what you got to
Yeah.
do is like when I say right leg, you just have to like little tap of this. Like
ठीक है.
right leg, left leg, growth mode on.
Growth mode on.
One more time.
Okay.
Right leg, left leg,
Growth mode on.
and now third time just say it with me.
Right leg, left leg, growth mode on. Okay.
Okay, so this is like, it's not one action, it's three actions put together. And by the time you do the third action loud, if I would like stand and I would move around and I do it initially. और एक बार उसकी प्रैक्टिस हो गई, हर दिन आपने अगर 2-4 बार ये कर लिया कहीं पे भी, then your body becomes your anchoring mechanism. तो जब अगर आप मीटिंग में बैठे हो और you're like, you can't move around a lot, you just say right leg, left leg.
Oh.
So you know what you're doing. If you just do this, you know what you're doing.
Hmm.
बट वो टूल आपके पास माइक्रो लेवल पे होने के लिए शुरुआत में थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी टू यूज योर बॉडी एज योर एंकर टू स्विच योर माइंड.
So ये मैं कहाँ यूज कर सकती हूँ? Some examples.
ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर अबाउट टू गेट इनटू अ मीटिंग.
Okay.
और आप अभी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आपने प्रिपेयर कर रखा है और अभी प्रेजेंटेशन करने वाले हो, पर यू नो दोस बटरफ्लाइज आर कम.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are those butterflies telling you? What if you fail? What if it doesn't go well? What if they ask you a question that you're not prepared for? That's what your butterflies are telling you.
Yeah.
That's why you feel out of control little bit.
Little bit. Yeah.
Tab, right leg, left leg, growth mode on.
I should have done this before this podcast.
Were you
started.
feeling jitters?
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
Of course.
That's the situation. For example, now somebody said something really mean, and now you're triggered.
Yeah.
All you want to go is like go and give that person a punch, which you can't give, but you really want to do it. You want to react and you want to like absolutely fight it.
Sometimes you can't even cry in public. Like something that could be embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
Yeah.
And now your emotions are all over the place. Now you realize, at some point, you tell yourself, I want to switch on a growth mode. What does that mean? I want to do the pattern break right now.
So this is literally like breaking a pattern.
Yes. And you're like, that doesn't mean I'm dismissing my emotions. That means I will deal with them later.
But right now I want to like
अभी मुझे मेरे ब्रेन की पूरी कैपेसिटी चाहिए ताकि मैं प्रॉब्लम पे नहीं सोल्यूशन पे फोकस कर सकूं. So fixed mode is like focusing on the problem that the problem shouldn't occur. That's why you perfect the process. Right? You like mistake नहीं होनी चाहिए. हर चीज perfectly करो. पर लाइफ ऐसे अलाउ नहीं करती. लाइफ में इतनी अनसर्टन चीजें होती है. Before you even jump into something is going wrong or something is going off. Like for example, if you meet, not physically, but any accidental situation, तब we feel completely out of control.
Yeah.
Right? So before you and you have to deal with it. हमारे पास इस situation से भागने के options नहीं है. तब if you have a mechanism to switch on your full mental capacity where you become solution oriented, तब mind से वो काम नहीं कर सकते. You have to switch on your body. Like you can anchor your body to give you that heads up.
Yeah.
I always say this, when your body is helpless, जब आपको फीवर है, थक गए हो, आपकी बॉडी हेल्पलेस फील करिए, लीड विथ योर माइंड, मेक अ मेंटल डिसीजन. हम करते हैं ना कि आज ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, बट आई हैव टू मेक अ मेंटल डिसीजन दैट आई हैव टू गो टू द डॉक्टर और टॉक टू दिस पर्सन, फिगर अ सॉल्यूशन. लाइक व्हेन योर बॉडी इज हेल्पलेस, लीड विथ योर माइंड. बट व्हेन योर माइंड इज यूजलेस,
Yeah, with all the nonsense.
लीड विथ योर बॉडी.
Yeah.
Use your body to kind of get that.
That is such a beautiful tool.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, you could actually use your body to control your mind.
Yes, why not? They're connected. पर हमें कोई बताता नहीं है ना ऐसे कर सकते हैं. So many times when I teach this to a group of people, they're like, इतना कैसे आसान हो सकता है? ऐसे कैसे आसान हो सकता है? Another use case scenario. I call it एक चुटकी discomfort. Okay. कई बार जब हम एक सिचुएशन में आ जाते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर नेटवर्किंग और यू आर इन अ बिग इवेंट एंड यू हैव टू गो एंड टॉक टू समबडी बट यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल. ओके, यू नो कि ये डिस्कम्फर्ट मुझे है बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पता एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा. राइट, आई डोंट हैव द फुल स्किल सेट रिक्वायर्ड हियर. आई माइट एम्बैरेस माई सेल्फ. This might be a complete disaster. I might fail. I know, I can see it because मुझे नहीं पता है, स्किल ही नहीं है मेरे पास. जैसे ड्राइविंग का पहला दिन, मुझे नहीं पता कि जब हर कोई ड्राइव करता है, we are like, oh, I don't know where the car ends. I can't see it, so I don't know where all it ends.
Yeah.
I don't have that judgment, and thereby I'm scared. And
Like an unknown space.
Uncomfortable space. That time we can't be like, अच्छा हाँ आ ही गया. नहीं आ रहा है, पता है, मतलब sometimes people say, okay, convince yourself that you got it. Yeah, but the reality is you don't have it. So you can't think about कि मैं 10 steps आगे मेरा हो गया है. Your mind doesn't believe it because in reality you're stuck at point 0.
why
Yeah.
can I relate this to somebody who's getting married, like
Yes,
in an
why
arranged
not?
marriage? Because
So
it's
many
like
things are new.
it's something so new.
Okay, wait, पर मुझे
And
marriage की situation
वो
थोड़ी
तो अलग, but still
नहीं नहीं marriage
unpredictable.
situation is something is a one time decision mostly.
हाँ,
So
but
only-
still.
I'm saying
हाँ,
something else.
okay.
I'm saying एक चुटकी discomfort is
हाँ.
about small changes.
Oh, okay.
Small right now. Like I'm like, okay, I feel uncomfortable
हाँ.
to talk to this person. So I say right leg, left leg, growth mode on, and I'm like, I'm gonna try and strike a conversation. Try. I'm just
Okay.
gonna say hello. छोटे changes. नहीं कि अब जाके बस बात ही कर ली दोस्ती हो गई. That's like ultimate if it happens. But right now, what I can do is I can think about a small change. So एक चुटकी discomfort is when I switch on a growth mode, I tell myself, I will lean in the direction of discomfort.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा.
So you're kind of preparing your body.
Yes. Yes. So अगर मैं नहीं कर पाई तो मैं वापस आ जाऊंगी.
हाँ.
But I want to switch on something like a little gear for myself and say, now I know I'm walking into discomfort. पर शायद नहीं जमा तो मैं वापस आ जाऊंगी.
Yeah, like kind of embracing it.
Knowing कि
Knowingly.
मैं feel हो सकती हूँ.
हाँ.
That is growth mode on का another like absolute benefit. और ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके I have done so many things because I feel like, so for example during the lockdown I started doing art, line art. I started studying with this fabulous artist Arzan Khambata and these were online classes, all of that. तो मैंने अपने आप को कहा कि मैं रोज 10 मिनट आर्ट करूंगी because the days were filled with some social initiative we were doing on anxiety.
Okay.
So we said every day I will do 4 free sessions for people who are feeling anxious. Plus we would do like a evening session for 1 hour जहाँ पे we'll teach people how to deal with anxiety with a technique which I call calmness S-stroke. So that was the idea. But the very moment we opened the doors, there were like people coming from somewhere we didn't know. And we ended up working with 50,000 people.
Oh my God.
And I wasn't ready for it. Like 2 सालों में, first 20 to 21 wale. But I'm like, I wasn't ready for it. I didn't know how to deal with so many people. So I needed my anchoring system. So I said, line art feels like a very calming technique. I'm going to do it for myself. So मैंने promise किया मैं 10 minute करूँगी. Now, because you have a growth mode on and you say, in that 10 minutes, I will do some work on little book. And then after some time, I'm like, oh, this is comfortable. Can I increase the size of the page? Oh, that's also comfortable. Can I challenge myself a little bit and go thinner on the pens that I'm using? So from like 0.5, I would say 0.1, 0.05. So you keep challenging yourself at a micro level. Maximum ये बिगड़ेगा ना कोई बात नहीं. Then I'll come back. Then you keep challenging, करते. Now, I've done many canvases which are like 3 by 3 feet. They're like micro detailing. And it's like a full-fledged art practice I have because it started with 10 minutes and एक चुटकी discomfort.
So it's like literally micro changes
Micro changes.
which will actually lead to a huge
changes.
amount of
Or not.
growth.
Or
Or
not.
not. Oh, so you don't attach yourself also to the.
ठीक है ना कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ, अगर मैं बोर हो गई, अगर मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा तो
ठीक
वापस
है.
आ जाऊंगी. I'll come back to 0.1. What is to lose? But we do not train our minds to what is to lose. हम वही करते रहते हैं जो मुझे पक्का गारंटी से आ रहा है.
Got it.
What if your next amazing technique, amazing gift, amazing happiness lies there, 2 kilometers away from your house? पर हम जा ही नहीं रहे.
हाँ.
वही जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमें सही लग रहा है, ये मेरा पैटर्न है. So pattern breaking at a very neuroplasticity level is a way to keep your brain younger, is a way to keep your mind agile, your body active. So if you keep doing one thing over and over again, at some point you keep improving it by making yourself familiar. So 2 चीजें हैं यहाँ पे. एक ये है कि अगर मुझे कुछ करना है तो मुझे अपने आप को बताना one more time. अगर मुझे कुछ करना है तो मुझे अपने आप को बताना होगा कि this is where I want to design myself. जैसे for example as a podcaster, what is your next level of being a influencer or podcaster?
Like have a X number of subscribers, have a book in my name.
Right? So
Yeah.
imagine from being a podcaster with X number of subscribers to writing a book.
Yeah.
ये shift है.
हाँ.
So you imagine yourself at point B where you have these subscribers and you have written a book. अभी जैसे उस बारे में हम सोचते हैं थोड़ा डर लगता है.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like हाँ कर लूंगी ना मैं कभी when I'm ready. So our nervous system is not ready for it.
Yeah.
right? Our nervous system is like, yeah, of course, it's like that roller coaster ride.
Yes.
बैठे तो है पर डर लग रहा है.
हाँ.
This is where you switch on a growth mode. You're like, पूरी book लिखनी होगी तब लिखूंगी. Can I write 2 pages? Little bit of एक चुटकी discomfort. And you're like, नहीं 2 pages नहीं लिख पा रही हूँ मैं. Can I write a paragraph? So I go, I test myself with my growth mode on, and I realize, nahi. You come back, you reduce the challenge level, you go back again to that problem. Because our job is to make sure कि हमारी nervous system, entire body's nervous system, and I'm doing this because the entire spine has to feel at ease.
Yeah. So true.
जैसे गाड़ी का ड्राइविंग का एग्जाम्पल, जब पहला दिन होता है डर लग रहा है, वी आर ऑल एंशियस एवरीथिंग, कहीं लग ना जाए, गाड़ी खराब ना हो जाए, किसी को लग ना जाए, मुझे आ रही नहीं रहा, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एज यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट एंड यू बिकम बेटर एंड बेटर एंड बेटर, you start relaxing. Your entire nervous system is relaxed to a point that you can be driving with like only 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Right? Not like, you're like, yeah.
And you can speak on a call. You can actually talk to somebody while you're driving.
Yeah,
You could eat something.
हम तो मेकअप भी कर लेते हैं
हाँ,
कभी.
exactly.
But all of this you can do because the amount of control you have. So
And-
similarly, in life, whatever skill you want to build, ask yourself, do I still feel the jitters? If I do, am I missing any skill set here? Am I missing any mindset here? Right leg, left leg, growth mode on. एक चुटकी disco.
Wow. That's a beautiful hack.
Isn't it?
So you first get your body ready,
Yes.
and then you prepare yourself to go into that discomfort.
Little
bit. Yeah.
Little bit. It's very important because कई बार लोग ट्रॉमेटाइज हो जाते हैं. बोले मैं नहीं करूंगा, मैंने एक बार ट्राई कर लिया, नहीं हुआ. एक बार ट्राई किया, probably you tried to jump all the way. You know, स्विमिंग पूल में some people believe कि डाल दो 10 feet के हाइट में से जंप कर दो फिर देखा जाएगा. I don't believe in that. I'm like, can I just start at like 4 feet where I have full control? Then I go deeper and deeper and I tiptoe and that. So by the time I'm in the water, my body is not shaken. My body is prepared.
Yeah. And how important do you think it is to get out of your comfort zone to actually grow in life?
So that depends on the definition of growth.
Hmm.
If your idea of growth is being eventually comfortable in whatever you're doing, then you're okay being comfortable. So you're like, jo bhi discomfort kar raha hai, I will just remove all the discomfort and it'll be comfortable.
Hmm.
My idea of growth, and I see that in many high performers, that they want to be in that active exploration.
Yeah.
कि ये आ गया ना, very good. अभी ये करते हैं.
They have the next thing ready.
Excitement about it.
Yeah.
And that's part of your personality. Nothing is right or wrong.
Yeah.
अगर आपको लग रहा है नहीं चाहिए झंझट मुझे I want to just retire as a person. Many people tell me I want to go to some smaller village and I want to just be a quiet person. I don't want all of this. Great. Then your idea is different. And then you probably do not require too much of growth mode for active growth mode.
Yeah.
Then you require growth mode कि इस चीज को मैं और अच्छे से कैसे कर सकता हूँ, कितना और enjoy कर सकता हूँ. Right? But I feel growth mode is such a practice कि एक गाने को अगर आप बहुत बार सुन रहे हो on the loop, on a growth mode, you start figuring out what else is here. What did I miss before? Oh, that beautiful, oh, that piece of music. So कोई भी चीज की गहराई में जाने के लिए growth mode really helps.
So true. Yeah.
And I also feel it shortens your learning curve. मतलब अगर मैं गलती करूंगी तब जाके मैं सीखूंगी, अगर मैंने गलती नहीं की तो I'll keep repeating the same way. पर growth mode says नहीं, गलती करने का wait नहीं करना है. We'll try something new.
So it's a great hack to learn something. Like if I'm learning something new, I think I could first, as you just said, get my body ready and I can just start doing it
Yes.
little by little every day.
जिस बात का डर लग रहा है और जो anxiety whatever we talk about, why is that anxiety there? Because I lack preparation.
Yeah.
मेरा जो भी preparation का formula है, my body is still not believing that I'm ready. And I'm going to say something that many people don't like to hear, but that's the truth. One of my teachers used to say this, that people lie, bodies tell the truth.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
हम चाहते हैं नहीं मैं confident डर लग रहा है पे ऐसे हम करते हैं,
हाँ.
right? But when bodies are telling us the truth, You can't lie there. And if I forget about what you tell other people, जरूरत होती है कॉन्फिडेंट दिखने की वगैरह सर, पर खुद को तो बताना चाहिए कि डर लगा था भाई, नहीं मुझे हो रहा था वहां पे. I was not up for it.
And you accept also the
Yes.
fear in that mode when you're actually switching on the growth mode.
You accept that अभी डर लग रहा है,
And you accept.
अभी मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ.
Yeah. And you're making it your superpower, as you just said. So this is what growth mode is. Oh, it's nice. So can you give us, if you have encountered, like you've worked with so many high performance leaders, okay? Any example where you've told them about this and how have they actually overcome something in
Oh,
life?
amazing. Like I always talk about this leaning in discomfort. और वो कहाँ से आता है? First you acknowledge कि मुझे feel क्या हो रहा है. अभी, and one of the artists that I work with, a very senior artist and fabulous work, and she's like, you know what? I'm doing well, but there's this one person that I feel very uncomfortable around. I think, I'm like, and I asked a few questions, and she thought about it, and she's like, I think I'm jealous of her. कितनी बार लाइफ में हम जेलसी फील करते हैं पर हम एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते कि मुझे जेलस फील हो रहा. हमें मान नहीं, मैं तो ठीक हूँ, उससे मुझसे जेलसी हो रही है, ऐसे हम बात करते हैं.
वो लेबल कर दिया है ना, इमोशन इट्स अ रॉन्ग इमोशन,
Wrong.
बट वी ऑल फील इट.
All feel it.
All feel it.
So the fact that she accepted it was amazing to see. She said, you know what? I'm gonna switch on a growth mode and go and meet this person.
Okay.
Person I feel is better than me. Person I feel I'm jealous of.
Yeah.
How many times in life we do this?
No,
I
yeah.
was mesmerized when she said this to me.
Okay.
Okay. And she planned a workshop that this lady was conducting. She went for the workshop and she had a conversation. And both of them, two artists talking, she realized she's fabulous in these things. But to her, this artist who went, my client, her surprise, the other lady was asking me, but how did you do this? And she thinks I cracked a code. And I think she cracked a code.
Yeah.
And everything just became so human.
Yeah.
She's like, oh.
Yeah. It's most of the time it's in our head.
Yes.
Yes.
पर वो बात वो करने के लिए, that step is growth mode on.
Yes.
Is where she said, I will not stay with this stupid feeling of comparison, which I am constantly feeling. I'm going to go walk in the direction. And she said, I went for a workshop. So thereby, if I wouldn't have liked her, I would have attended the workshop and come back. तो जरूरी नहीं कॉन्वर्सेशन हो ही जाता. But that is the beauty of एक चुटकी सिंदूर बोल रही एक चुटकी
discomfort.
See, I love Bollywood. I think Bollywood has answers for most of the problems. So एक चुटकी सिंदूर is
एक चुटकी discomfort
also.
Yes. Love it. Okay, so moving on from ek chutki sindoor,
Yes.
ek chutki discomfort.
Yeah. एक चुटकी discomfort.
Yes. Coming to some major mindset blocks that every woman sort of goes through somewhere. So I've listed them down and I would want
Homework.
yes you to help us with this.
Yes.
So first is the fear of judgment. I think लोग क्या कहे ये सबसे बड़ा रोग है.
हाय
कहीं ना कहीं तो
अरे क्या
कहेंगे लोग
ये सबसे
बड़ा रोग. Yes.
I agree.
Yes.
And मुझे लगता है कि बाकी career life everything whatever this fear of rejection, fear of judgment comes from अगर मैं perfect ना हूँ
Yeah.
then I won't be accepted.
Yeah. Deep down.
Deep down.
Yeah.
I won't be validated. And no matter how good I do in these areas, people won't love me.
So true.
So it comes down to very basic human need to be accepted, loved and feeling safe. तो वो निकाल नहीं सकते हम ऐसे कि नहीं फील हो रहा है. Sometimes when people are feeling judged, they start judging the people who are judging them.
Yeah.
तुमने बड़ा कर रखा है लाइफ में. मुझे बड़ा बोल रहे हो. But that doesn't help us.
Yeah.
Right? Because putting them down can make you feel good fractionally. But eventually you're like, but this person won't like me anyway. So we come down.
Yeah.
Right? So that quick little pushing other people is fighting resistance with resistance technique doesn't work.
Okay.
First, let's acknowledge this.
Yes.
अगर हमें लग रहा है कि किसी का judgment मुझे bother कर रहा है, तो एक सवाल है, let's think about anybody that you feel कि ये इंसान मुझे judge कर रहा है, that's uncomfortable. Why? Because I care for their opinion.
Yeah. I want to be validated.
By that person.
Yes.
By that community. By that friend circle. By those people. Now I can't change whether they will validate me or not, पर ये ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है ना दोनों टेंशन दोनों सिरे पे, वो नहीं छोड़ेंगे. मैं छोड़ दूँ तो? What if I say it's okay if I am not validated by these people? And this is what I ask people to do. I say loudly, tell yourself, whomever that you think is judging you right now, take that person's name, get that person in your mind, and seriously, like look into the mirror, think about that person and say, hey Dash, okay, I give you permission to dislike me.
So burden ही निकाल दिया है.
I
ले
give you
लो.
permission to
हाँ.
dislike me. You will dislike me because you don't understand me. You'll dislike me because I'm not like you. You'll dislike me because I don't fit into your definition of what good or bad looks like. But I give you permission to dislike me.
Got it.
And when I give you permission, मैंने वो टेंशन का जो धागा था अपना वाला सिरा छोड़ दिया.
And you've taken control of the situation.
Of things I can control.
Yeah.
Which is what I want to do with my life. इरिटेट क्या कर रहा है वो थॉट कि आप मुझे अच्छा नहीं, यू आर जजिंग मी, पर आप मुझे जज कर रहे हो बिकॉज आई एम डिफरेंट, मे बी यू जजिंग मी बिकॉज आई एम कॉम्प्लेक्स, मे बी फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Got it.
और हर कोई नई चीजों का एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए तैयार होना ही चाहिए. ये कैसी जबरदस्ती.
So I remember having this conversation with somebody, and she was a woman, and she was just telling me that, you know, if I do something, like if I start, she wanted to start a business from home, and she was like, अगर मैंने ये काम चालू किया तो लोग बोलेंगे इसको क्या जरूरत है पैसे कमाने की. लोग क्या कहेंगे कि पैसा तो इतना सारा है, लेकिन अभी क्या इसने ये एज में जाके ये काम चालू किया है, तो क्या जरूरत है इसको पैसे. So that was her,
right?
Yeah.
And my mother started laddu business. It's
Okay.
called Ai Ka Dabba at 64.
Wow.
And कोई जरूरत नहीं है पैसे कमाने की, right? But because when she makes laddus, she prays for every person she makes laddus for. और उनका ऐसा है कि मेरी प्रेयर के जरिए अगर किसी को थोड़ा अच्छा लगे तो मैं उनके लिए प्रेयर करके लड्डू बनाती. And she's like that as a person. वो खाना भी ऐसे ही खिलाती.
Very cute.
Yeah, very cute. But then when we started that, it's so beautiful. Like at 64, when she was doing it, the need was to contribute. The need was for care. पर अगर वो और उनको भी लोगों ने रिलेटिव्स ने कहा क्या जरूरत है इतनी उम्र हो गई आपको मतलब पैसों की, and then she would come home and
Why is it always the most near and dear ones who are always like kind of
Pulled
judging us, yeah, and pulling us down somewhere or the other?
uh,
I mean, that's what happens. Like you just said, the relatives ne ye kaha. And most of the times, it's the most nearest circle that we are scared of, as you said. Yeah.
because अगर भोपाल के किसी छोटे गांव में अगर किसी बकरी को कोई मारे तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. पर आपके घर में जो छोटी बहन है या कोई भाई है वो आपको एक नजर उठा के देखे तो बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
सो द लोग यू नो व्हेन यू से लोग ही क्यों करते हैं, बिकॉज बाकी भी करते हैं, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
हाँ.
जो पास वाले हैं उनके करने से फर्क पड़ रहा है, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी एक्सपेक्ट देम टू वैलिडेट यू. सो दैट इज इन योर रेंज.
Yes.
रेडार में नहीं होता.
हाँ.
तो जो लोग हमारे रेडार में होते हैं उनकी ओपिनियन हमें मैटर करती है, इसलिए वो लोगों का बोलना मैटर करता है. तो बाकी लोग भले बोले, हम नहीं मैटर करते.
Yeah. So you say, I give you the permission
I give you permission to
to
dislike
dislike
me.
me. Okay. Perfect. Okay. The next thing is the guilt of prioritizing themselves.
Yourself. Like for
So-
example, अगर हाँ
Huh.
example
So, like, for example, most women have this feeling that if they put themselves first before their family
kids
or before their kids, mothers go through this,
a lot.
they feel so much guilt. Why is that so? Like, खुद के आइडेंटिटी को पूरा शन कर दिया है, मतलब खुद के अस्तित्व को कहीं ना कहीं तो, and they feel guilty for doing it.
You know, इसका जवाब मैं दे सकती थी पहले by saying of course women should do this and women should do that, but recently two of my close friends had babies. Okay, and I observed how that have transformed them in like months together. So I feel कई बार जब आप पे कोई डिपेंडेंट होता है, और ये मैंने मेरी बहन में भी देखा है, she has these plants and she loves her plants, एंड जब भी उसके ट्रैवल करती है, शी इज एन एक्टर सो शी ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट, तो जब भी वो ट्रैवल करती है शी लाइक will you look after my plants, like she, because she knows that somebody or something is dependent on you, so it's your responsibility to look after them. Now if you have a fixed mode on about how would you look after them, then you are like कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, मैं अगर अपने आप को बाजू में रखूं, if that's what it takes, I will do it. So when you are a mother or an employee or a leader, whatever, from the space of गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, you would never prioritize rest.
Yes.
But when you do that with a growth mode on, then you are like, but right now I require this. Okay? I will fail. Growth mode on also gives you permission to fail gracefully.
Yeah, because you said कि अगर मुझे वो
नहीं
जमा तो मैं वापस भी आ सकती हूँ.
और
It was a very important part.
राइट, तो मैं
Yeah.
चेंज कर सकती हूँ. आई वुड गो एंड आई वुड बी लाइक, अच्छा इसका ये बदल दूँ, उसका वो चेंज कर दूँ. ओके, सो आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट माई सेल्फ टू सक्सीड 100% ऑफ द टाइम, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली इन ग्रोथ मोड आई वोंट टेक माई फेलियर पर्सनली.
Because you tried.
And my favorite line here to break this is like, did I give my best possible shot? Not like my best shot. No. Did I give my best possible shot? उस मोमेंट में मेरे लिए यही बेस्ट पॉसिबल है with my mental physical capacity. Okay? For example, today morning I woke up and I really didn't have the because yesterday night I had a leadership lab. I was exhausted and I'm like, I'm still not up for speaking. So I took some time. I messaged you saying like, no, we'll be little late, but I really needed that time.
Yeah.
So if I don't prioritize that, my performance right now will be compromised. पर ये permission हम नहीं देते, हमें ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा ही, अगर ये नहीं होगा तो लागा चुनरी में दाग.
Total Bollywood fan.
So ask yourself, did I give my best possible shot? And be honest. If the answer is no, what can I improve next time? And if the answer is yes, I'm like, okay, that's far I could go in that moment.
You know what? This is so different from what most of the growth coaches out there. It's no comparison, but I'm just trying to say that sometimes when we look for achievement, growth, success, it's never this soft. It's always about being hard on yourself. It's always about that you have to do this. You have to give your best possible shot. Like,
No,
you know,
best
just-
shot.
Yeah.
Best shot. Not
Yeah.
best possible. Best shot.
Best shot.
Haan,
Sorry.
haan.
You have to give your best shot. Like, this is a do or die. Like, that kind of situation. And then when you don't do it, it's like you start taking failure personally at that moment because you feel like you couldn't do it somewhere or the
And
other.
people use that pain to like push themselves ahead.
Yeah.
मेरी एक analogy है, मैं हर
हाँ.
जगह बताती हूँ because मुझे इतनी पसंद है. I don't want to miss a single chance to not tell this story. Imagine you and I meet for a coffee again. Now and we see a person running on the road. Now we look at the person and we say, क्यों भाग रहा है भाई ये बंदा? So we start talking about him, and I say probably there is a dog behind him. And you say, no, I can't see any dog. Probably there is a kite he's trying to catch. And then as we are talking, the server says, नहीं हमारे regular customer है, ये भाग रहे हैं because ये marathon के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं. Okay? So now, just to take this example, the action, what people really talk about, result आना चाहिए, होना चाहिए. From running from point A to point B, the action is the same.
Yeah.
But the motive behind the action changes the experience completely.
Yes.
So अगर आप डर से भाग रहे हो, जो आपका पेन है, ट्रॉमा है, नहीं होना चाहिए वापस, ये मेरे लाइफ में करने ही नहीं दूंगा किसी का, मेरा इंसल्ट, whatever that is, that will only keep you in that anxiety of not reaching where you should be reaching.
Yes.
And you will run as far as the dog runs, a little faster. And if the dog catches you, you're like, मैं मर गया, and you know, like that's like end done and be all. अगर dog disappear हो गया, then you're like,
Yeah.
I don't have to run again. And people are like, I know, I understand fears are bad, but is your dream better idea कि आप kite के पीछे भाग रहे हो? Comparatively. But when you're running towards the kite, if you get the kite, you sit there and you wait for another kite. You don't run.
Yes.
If you don't get the kite, you're like, hi, मेरी life बर्बाद हो गई, all of that. You like would do all of this, but you would not run again.
Yeah, it's all about the intention, as you said.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you are preparing for a marathon or you're focused on running because you do things because you want to do things that matter to you, like as a mathematician, if you're interested in solving the problem, if as a chef you want to invent the recipe, अगर लोगों को पसंद आई तो मजा आने वाला है, पर रेसिपी बनाने में जो मजा आ रहा है, प्रोसेस में जो मजा आ रहा है, that is like running. Right? Running for preparation of marathon. In that case, you're running, you'll listen to nice music. You'll choose right kind of shoes. You'll choose the track that you want to run. You'll say hello to people. And you will like, see, अच्छा मैं कल कितना भागी, आज कितना भागी, how my food is affecting my all of that.
Yeah.
But you can't do any of it.
Yeah, you'll enjoy the details and the
Yes,
journey.
Yes, but you can't do that if you're only running away or running towards something as the idea of success.
Yeah.
तो हमें अपने आप के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने की फुर्सत ही नहीं मिलती because we are just either towards something or away from something.
Yeah.
And that is the shift. I really want working professionals to become like self-initiating because they're interested, not because there is a promotion or there's a fear of losing a job. And that's the whole idea.
Mhm.
Like the idea of making these things softer is because we got to accept our emotions.
Yeah.
हमारे emotions गलत नहीं है. They're reactions to all the experiences we are having. And they're just telling कि अभी डर लग रहा है because I'm not trained to
it's
deal
more,
with it.
Yeah, it's more of a holistic and a softer growth. Like
I-
being soft on yourself, but growing in the more holistic way somewhere or the other.
I don't understand the word holistic because I feel sometimes you focus on one thing and then other things are left.
No, but you're keeping your details in mind, right? Like
Details,
you are, yeah,
absolutely.
You're enjoying that one process also, even if you're going towards one goal, but you're not like going towards it aggressively. Not making sure
motive matters.
the motive matters, as you said.
Absolutely. And वो मुझे लगता है कि वो अगर करे तो वो लाइफ टाइम करते रहो ना, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, perfect. What can women do where they can say a no without feeling guilt? Like say, I cannot make it. Like I have a podcast today. I have a few work deadlines today. And then I have to go for a friend's party. Example. And most of the women also, or a family function for that matter. Family functions are even more important. How do I say no without feeling guilty? And more than the other people, it's the tape in my head that is constantly saying that इतना तो मैनेज कर ही सकती थी मैं. Like why can't I, as being a woman, like सब लोग कर रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं तो मैं भी इतना तो फिट इन कर ही सकती हूँ. How can I actually overcome that?
So 2 questions you're asking. First, how do I decide and prioritize?
Yeah, how do I decide and
And
prioritize?
second
Yeah, first.
question is how do I say no to others?
Yeah, without feeling
तो
guilty.
पहली तो prioritization के लिए you have to sit down and you have to ask yourself where am I standing today and who do I want to become?
Okay.
Okay, and if that person, that author, that that kind of a YouTuber, why does it matter to me?
Okay.
And there is no right or wrong answer to it. You say this matters to me because I want no one to suffer the way I suffered in my life, and I want best of the experts to come on my podcast, and I want to be the voice where people don't give up on themselves.
Yeah.
For instance.
Yeah.
That's what I saw in your previous podcast when I
Yeah.
was like doing research. I'm like, she just wants to bring this thought process. And
Yeah.
you want to become like and being a podcaster, I know कितनी मुश्किलें आती है ये सब करने में, हर week करने में, constant content create. But you're willing to suffer all of this because you're like, I want to become that person at point B.
Yes.
If your why is so strong, and if you are, this is where you want to go, you every day ask yourself, will this align to what I'm doing or will it not align? Will it bring me joy? That would for example, taking care of some relatives is important for us. You want to do this.
Yeah.
Sometimes making sure that your mom doesn't feel embarrassed by you not showing up somewhere, that person doesn't matter, but your mom
matters. Yeah.
So you're like, okay, I want to do it because this is how I want my mother to know that I respect,
So answer the why and you'll know.
You'll know. And
What is your priority?
ये negotiation करना पड़ेगा. Every situation you say, is it not? Is it not? Okay? And if you get the answer no, for that matter, okay? Yes होता तो खैर आप कोशिश करोगे and you'll give your best possible shot there.
Yeah.
और कर पाए तो कर पाए, नहीं कर पाए तो you'll apologize, but you'll at least try because your answer was yes to begin with. But if your answer is no, okay?
How
Here
do
is
you
the
say
point.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We feel guilty because we believe कि लोगों की expectation है तो मुझे fulfill करनी ही है. And that's a fixed mode. If this is a template, I have to somehow mold myself and fit into the template.
हाँ.
Again, I give myself permission. I give you permission to dislike me. First point. Second point is, if I don't want to go, can I be firm? Can I be authentic to myself, not to the other person always? Can I be firm? Can I be authentic? Can I be calm? Can I be tactical? And can I be solution oriented?
Okay.
I'll break this down. Okay.
Yeah.
I need to be firm because if I feel like if they feel that they can just convince me, push me around, ऐसे अरे क्यों नहीं आ रही और 3 बार बुलाने पे मैं हाँ बोल जाऊँ जो मैंने ना बोला था, next time they will not agree to my no.
Yeah, this is such an everyday situation. Like all of us go
Forget
through
about
this.
other people.
Yeah.
I will not believe in my own no.
Yeah.
अगर मैं बार बार change करती रहूँ.
हाँ,
So at
बराबर.
some point you have to say, if I say no and if it is coming from that why, then I have to be firm about कि answer ना है.
Perfect.
Okay. Second, I have to be authentic to myself. Secondly, I have to be authentic to myself. What does that mean? For me, it has to matter that I do this.
Yeah.
Authentic होना
It
चाहिए.
becomes easier.
मेरे लिए authentic होना चाहिए. मेरा point B के लिए वो authentic होना चाहिए. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती after a point. But I'm gonna give my try.
Try.
Third point is calm. Calm is where I'm like, can I be calm about it? Because they will judge me and they will push me. And if I'm getting irritated and triggered by it, I'm not understanding that they really want me to be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if I'm calm about it and I'm like, okay, I get it, it's really not possible at this point. But if I'm feeling guilty, I won't be calm.
Yeah.
So, मेरा calmness, very responsibility. वो phone उठाने से पहले I will make sure am I calm or not.
Okay.
Fourth is tactical. Tactical थोड़ा complicated है पर समझे तो वही चीज़ अगर आप directly बोलो तो hurt कर दोगे. Tactical is like softening the blow and saying the same thing. Mostly लोग समझ जाते हैं. अगर हम फोन ही नहीं करते अवॉइड करना है तो आई वुड से फोन करो टैक्टिकल राइट फोन करो और बताओ कि आई रियली आई एम सॉरी आई रियली वांटेड टू मेक इट बट कांट मेक इट और आई वुड से अभी तो मैं कांट भी नहीं बोलती अब लाइक आई हैव सम अदर प्रायोरिटी और आई हैव समथिंग एल्स गॉट टू डील विद दिस
Got it.
वर्क प्रायोरिटी पीपल गेट वर्क प्रायोरिटी
Hmm.
राइट तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम बोलना शुरू करेंगे तो हम धीरे धीरे लोगों को ट्रेन कर देंगे एंड फाइनली लास्ट पॉइंट इज सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड ये फैक्ट्स वाला अप्रोच आप कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हो सोशल कम्युनिकेशन में पर्सनल एनी कम्युनिकेशन यू कैन यूज़ इट सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड मतलब इफ आई कांट डू इट कैन आई हेल्प यू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन
Hmm.
For example, if your friend wanted you to come and host something and you can't make it, you're like, I can't make it, but can we find someone else who could do it? Because I care for you, but I can't do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Or I don't have the bandwidth or I have some other priority. But can I still care for you enough by helping you find the solution required? Then the person feels ऐसे नहीं कि तुम जिम्मेदारी से हट रही
हाँ
हो.
मतलब you are there as a part of the whole
Yes.
event, but you are just putting down your.
But you can't. Like, for example, if I have to go only for a short duration, then I'm like, okay, can I just probably send somebody on my behalf? So many things.
Beautiful, beautiful. इसमें एक है जो I think Indian households, when it comes to housewives and when they have suddenly started something, some business or some work of their own, and what happens is the family people sort of don't understand that okay she has something else to even take care of. So ये सब चीज़ें करने के बाद भी बहुत बार they will be like कि हाँ अभी तू बड़ा काम करने लगी है पहले तो ये तू करती थी all these dialogues you know कि इतना कर लेगी तो फिर करना ही नहीं चाहिए काम क्यों कर रही है अगर घर मैनेज नहीं हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे what would you say to those housewives?
First of all, if you are a housewife, homemaker, and you're starting something new, congratulations. बहुत 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 मुश्किल है. Not because you don't have the capacity, you always had the capacity, पर आपने अपनी capacity को कहीं पे पार्क करके आपने prioritize किया था कि I will work on my family. मैं अपना वक्त, अपने talent और अपनी खुद की growth को छोड़ के इन बच्चों, इन family members के लिए दूँ. तो ये चॉइस करना नॉट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस दैट यू हैड द करेज टू गिव अप व्हाट यू न्यू यू कुड डू ऑल दीज इयर्स और ये बहुत, ये हमारे सोसाइटी में बहुत easily taken for granted feeling है. My mom used to be a homemaker and I have seen her constantly having that doubt, am I good enough, am I good enough? और अभी खुद का बिजनेस करते हैं तो मेरी मॉम के प्राइड देखना चाहिए बात कर, मेरा खुद का बिजनेस है ऐसे करके जाके वो सबको बताते हैं. बट दैट लिटिल आइडेंटिटी
Yeah.
is something that all of us deserve.
It reminds me of this scene from English Winglish,
Yes.
where Sri Devi is like, where the husband is like, ये सिर्फ लड्डू बनाती है.
Yes,
Like
exactly.
that work of hers which she was laddu से, जहाँ पे like it was like it was made so little like as a work, हाँ सिर्फ लड्डू बनाती है, to the fact where he actually towards the end realized that she's contributing in so many ways in this family.
Exactly.
So yeah, जहाँ पे appreciation भी शायद से ना मिल पाए ऐसे households में,
पर-
to start something.
पर पॉइंट है कि अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा, हम एक्सेप्ट करके चलते हैं कि अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा. डज इट स्टिल मैटर टू यू?
Okay.
क्या आपको फिर भी खुद का अपना आसमान चाहिए?
Hmm.
बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर इट, नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay.
आई एम गोना गिव अ पर्सनल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, नॉट एज अ हाउस वाइफ, बट जब मैंने अपना ये करियर चूज किया, I was 19 years old.
Hmm.
And I told my father, this is what I want to do. And because I'm also very analytical, my father thought I should become an engineer. और मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये काम करना है. तो 19 साल में my father said, if this is what you want to do, you can leave my house. And after that, for 9 years, he did not speak with me.
Oh my God.
So that constant choice of going against somebody you love so much, and thereby not meeting my family, my extended family, not spending time with my sister, meeting my mother once in a while, all of this came as a price for making that decision.
So you have to pay the price.
You got to pay the price. So the price can be only compensated that why does it matter?
So your why has to be that big.
That's strong.
That's strong and
strong.
big. Yeah.
अगर आप हाउस वाइफ हो और आपने सालों से लोगों को ये आदत लगा रखी है कि आप अपने आप को हमेशा बैक फुट पे डालोगे और उनको हमेशा लीड रोल में रखोगे, तो आपको ये रोल चेंज करने की प्राइस पे करनी पड़ेगी. So when people taunt you, when they say things like this, you are like, you know what? That's the price.
Good.
When I was not invited for any of my family functions, when I would see all the cousins meeting, I would say, I'm like, that's the price.
So remind yourself.
Remind yourself. And सवाल ये है कि ये कीमत चुकाने के बावजूद do you still want अपना खुद का आसमान? आसान नहीं है. Okay?
Yeah.
So what we say a little bit that when people pull you down or when people criticize you, or as a content creator you face this.
I do.
आपका कोई तो पॉइंट होगा कि कोई जो आपको जानता भी नहीं, बस कमेंट पे कमेंट करे जा रहा है, क्रिटिसाइज करे जा रहा है, ट्रोल करे जा रहा है. एंड व्हाट वी से इज बिल्ड अ लिटिल थिक स्किन टुवर्ड्स क्रिटिसिज्म.
Hmm.
ये ज़रूरी है कि if I want to protect my heart and keep it sensitive, I will wear like a little thick skin in moments where I'm like, you will say things and I will hear you.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Okay.
So be ready for the after.
Be ready for it. Like do not say कि हाय हाय ऐसे कैसे बोला. ये मान के चलो कि बोलने ही वाले हैं.
हाँ.
आप शूज पहन लो क्योंकि कांटे होने ही वाले हैं. पर ऐसे मत बोलो कि अरे मेरे पैरों को कांटे ही नहीं होने चाहिए, बोलोगे तो फिर आप then you will become a victim. Yeah, you'll be like, oh, because they say it, I don't do it. फिर आपकी जिंदगी इसी में जो है जाएगी कि वो लोग नहीं बोल रहे और वो नहीं कर रहे. इंग्लिश में श्रीदेवी ने भी जाके छुप के अपना इंग्लिश का क्लास किया बिकॉज उसे पता चला कि that is growth mode on.
Yeah.
She couldn't do it openly. People would have like laughed at her, but she said little bit of discomfort. मैं क्लास जाके चेक करती हूँ. तो उसने वो स्किल बिल्ड किया and eventually she just cracked the code for herself.
Yeah, and
Right?
she got back to being a housewife. The end, the way she made the laddus, and it was such a beautiful.
Because she is not, at no point she said I'm going to abandon people I love, and that's what we have to understand. Being a homemaker is a big sacrifice that you're already making.
Yeah.
Okay, तो आप कह रहे हो कि ये सब करने के बावजूद मुझे प्राइस पे करनी पड़ेगी. हाँ,
तो ready हो
जिस
जाओ.
सोसाइटी का हम हिस्सा है, हाँ
हाँ.
करनी पड़ेगी बिलॉर्ड, पर कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Because उसके on the other side of it is where I find myself.
Beautiful. So एक interesting सा article पढ़ा था मैंने Forbes में, जहाँ पे पूछा था women को what are you most scared of, what do you fear the most, and most of the women actually said that we fear success. And that is because it's a psychological phenomena where women are actually scared of the negative after effects of success. So say that they will not be seen in the same way, they will be rejected in the society, or they will lose their loved ones, or as you said, like the near and dear ones would abandon them somewhere or the other.
Yeah. And this is so true. Like in India, there are 2041 companies listed on NSD, National Stock Exchange,
Okay.
out of which only 100 odd companies have women in CEO or MD position. 100.
The number is, yeah.
मतलब 50% तो कहाँ रह गया? 100.
And
Because
which
I'm
century
sure-
are we in?
And I'm sure so many of them were either not given the opportunities, or when they were given the opportunities, they would have said no. I had a client and she and I were working, I was coaching her to get her next promotion.
Okay.
जब next promotion की बिल्कुल बात पास आ गई, she backed off. And when I met her in the next session, she said, yeah, I'm like, what happened? You know, that conversation you're supposed to have. And she said, yeah, I just didn't. And I'm like, why?
Why? Yeah.
And she looked at me, she's like, you know my organization, right? Like, we never had anybody in the senior leadership position. And so she sensed the resistance.
Hmm.
And the very moment she sensed it, instead of like asking herself, you know, growth mode on what should I do here, she just went in like, rehne dete hai. Why to lose what I already have?
Okay.
So that's what happens to women. Like,
Yeah.
you know, they start doubting their ability to go through the grind. But the thing is, if you avoid the grind, you avoid the growth.
That's so beautiful. Yeah.
So you have to understand कि नहीं होगा possible easily, but can I just then prepare myself enough, have enough support system, have enough technique, tactic, ways in which go and talk to other people, how did they deal with it? What are the other things that I can do? Talk to the coaches, like find a way that would make this journey possible, bearable, and slightly more comfortable than what it is right now, instead of giving up on it.
I think, yeah, women just get like, even they need to ask for help. As you just said, that go ask for help. I don't know why so many women actually have resistance to going and asking for help.
Because it is closely associated with our identity. क्या हम मन में मान रहे हैं कि do I have it in me to ask for help? Do I deserve it? Am I worthy of it? ये सारी जो ideas है वो हमारी है ही नहीं. मतलब what do you mean by worthy of it? अगर मुझे कल जाके plane चलाना है, then I require training how to do this, right? The skill requires so much.
Yeah.
Then I need to train and I need to practice all of it. Similarly, to become a confident person, I need to train. I need to really have the support system where people give me right kind of tools. मैं क्यों ना मांगू? To be emotionally stable, I require training.
Yeah.
हम मान लेते हैं कि मेरी, like if I react, if I'm this needy person, whatever, I'm a wrong person. No, you are unequipped person. You don't have the right kind of tools and training जो किसी ने दिया ही नहीं है. So the very moment you start training yourself, and start building the identity.
So जो नहीं आता है becomes your identity.
Yes. Instead
you
of
gotta-
जो आता है, that should become your identity. They say that if men know 6 things out of 10, they claim promotion.
Yeah.
And if women do not know all 10 things out of 10, they don't even ask for promotion.
Yeah, why do they feel that we are not good enough all the time?
Because our idea of good enough is great mother, great wife, everything.
Yeah.
And when you have all the tick boxes is where you achieve. Whereas for men, the idea is like that competing to be better.
मतलब वो 4 चीज फेक भी देंगे, मतलब कि हाँ मुझे आता है.
हाँ.
And
अभी देखा
women-
जाएगा ना, जब होगा तो
And
देखा
women
जाएगा.
sort of underplay. जो आता है वो भी शायद से
नहीं देंगे.
हाँ.
And that is what we call in psychological term the imposter syndrome.
Okay.
Because जब imposter होता है उसका क्या मतलब है? हमें गिल्टी फील हो रहा है कि जैसे ही मुझे 8 चीजें आ रही है, 2 नहीं आ रही है. 2 के बारे में पूछा तो है ना,
Yeah.
कि मेरा imposter मुझे बता रहा है कि मुझे 2 चीजें नहीं आ रही है. अगर उन्होंने यही देखा तो उनको तो पता चल जाएगा कि मुझे 8 भी नहीं आ रही है.
Got it.
I'll give you an example. I'm dyslexic. Dyslexia मतलब वो दर्शल
दर्शल
तारे
सफारी,
ज़मीन,
तारे
ज़मीन
ज़मीन
पे, right?
पर.
So if I'm speaking very well and if I have to use a board and if I write a word, back in the day I used to always fear कि उनको लगेगा कि मुझे एक spelling नहीं आ रहा है, और मुझे spelling नहीं आ रहा है तो they will doubt everything that I'm saying.
Yeah.
So because I don't know spellings, or because I grammatically sometimes spoke wrong, or even now I do, तो because of that I will lose all my credibility. और मैं पूरा टाइम इसी पे फोकस करती थी इनिशियली जब काम शुरू किया कि लिखने को ना बोले, नहीं वो
हाँ मतलब ग्रामर गलत ना हो
ग्रामर
जाए.
गलत ना हो जाए, या फिर मेरा प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत हो जाए, फिर उनको पता चलेगा कि एवरीथिंग इज फेक और एवरीथिंग इज नॉट गुड इनफ, एंड आई वाज टू यंग टू गेट माय पोजीशन, सो आई ऑलवेज हैड द imposter syndrome until one day when I'm like, but I am dyslexic, मुझे नहीं आता. And I don't remember exactly where the shift happened, but when you accept that my imposter is telling me the truth कि तुम्हें नहीं आ रहा है, तो 2-3 चीजें कर सकते हैं. When I know कि मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, एक, can I build the skill?
Okay.
Okay, so I got like a writing coach. I train even now with like speech coaches because काम ही बोलने का है और मैं struggle करती हूँ. So I'm like, can I have a support system where I learn the skill? Second, delegate. है ना, कोई ऐसे बंदे को ढूंढो जिनको आ रहा है. So instead of me writing everything, I always had people who could write for me and who would like correct me and who would give me feedback. because मुझे तो करना है, आपकी जिम्मेदारी कि मुझसे आप करवाओ ठीक से. अभी तो चैट जीपीटी आ गया, so it's much easier, but back in the day I hired people to correct what I wrote. So delegate.
Delegate. I think women have so much problem delegating also.
I'll come to that.
हाँ.
And the third point here is accept that you don't know. हमें लगता है कि लागा चुनरी में दाग मतलब गेम ओवर, but I would go on the stage and I would tell people that I'm dyslexic, I don't know how to write, so I'm going to ask one of you to come and write. And they're like, yeah, of course. And then I would tell them, जैसे थोड़ा comfort आने लगा, I started telling people that sometimes I grammatically say wrong sentences, so in case you don't understand what I'm saying, please tell me, I'll repeat, I'll rephrase. And उसके बाद स्नेहा, they would just come together and you could just see the whole room is like, तुम टेंशन मत लो, we'll figure it out.
तुम सिर्फ बात करो.
तो बात करो. तो people were so willing, and to my surprise I'm like, huh, this is other way around. It's not like they're stopping you, it's like rather they're like encouraging you to do this and that.
Beautiful.
So ये 3 चीजें कर सकते हैं.
100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
In between you ask me.
So you ask. So first is you
first
train yourself for.
train yourself,
self,
get the skills,
get
फिर
the
डर ना
skill.
लगे.
Second is you delegate.
Delegate
Yeah. And third is you accept that you don't know.
and announce.
Announce it. Yeah.
करेज लगेगा, पर एक बार धीरे करके देखो, 2 लोगों को बता के लोगों, फिर बड़ा करते करते you increase, but see discomfort come back, discomfort come back.
Even when I have this inner dialogue during the end of the day that you know मैं 10 चीजें मैंने की है पूरे दिन में, जो 2 चीज छूट गई है, I don't know why, like at the end of the day I would beat myself up for those 2 things कि यार स्नेहा तू ये तो कर ही सकती थी ना इतने टाइम में, तूने आज जर्नलाइजिंग किया ही नहीं है, तूने आज वो चीज तू कर सकती थी, मे बी यू कुड हैव मेड अ मील टुडे और यू कुड हैव डन दिस, बट वो जो 10 चीजें की है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई we don't give importance to those 10 things which we have actually done somewhere or the other.
So actually this is a good quality to evaluate yourself. Okay, वो गलत नहीं है. But then if I switch on a growth mode and I do the evaluation, I am not harsh on myself.
Exactly.
So after every speech, after every like podcast recording or mostly like leadership labs that I do, because there are so many live things happening, something goes wrong, something goes off, something goes great. So हमारा एक ritual है, my team members and I would sit immediately after the event is over and we would quickly do things we loved and things we could do better.
Okay.
So I'm not saying कि ये मैंने गलत किया तो मैं इग्नोर ही कर दूं और मैं जस्टिफाई कर दूं कि 2 चीजें छूटी तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We want to improve, we want to be better.
Yeah.
But we always first begin with what I loved about today. Right? These are the amazing things. And then I say what I could have improved today. And then you think about, it's not like ये होना नहीं चाहिए था. मतलब अभी हो गया, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, होना नहीं चाहिए था का क्या मतलब है. But if I say next time if I have to do it, what would I develop? What would I improve?
Yeah.
So next time you have 3 options while things are happening, and then you're not struggling with that one thing stuck up.
Yes.
So जब अभी जैसे आज मैंने मील प्रेप नहीं किया तो मैं क्या कर सकती थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा वे प्रिपेयर कर सकती थी पहले कल रात को, या फिर आई कुड हैव ऑर्डर्ड like the half baked stuff, or I could have probably chosen a meal which was healthy from this particular restaurant. तो 3-4 ऑप्शन मैंने कर लिए. तो अब कल जाके सब सेम सिचुएशन आएगी, I would have solutions that I can tap into because I switched on a growth mode and I evaluated the thing and not myself. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब हम चीज़ों को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं हम खुद को क्रिटिसाइज करने लगते हैं और हमारा फिक्स मोड ऑन हो जाता है
हाँ
एंड फिक्स मोड नहीं मैं ठीक ही तो हूँ पर या एक तो ये स्टार्ट जस्टिफाइंग और ये स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग पर चीज़ों को एनालाइज करें ना खुद को थोड़े ना हमें क्रिटिसाइज करना है
गॉट इट
सो दैट्स द शिफ्ट
perfect. And one very beautiful thing you said, that women need to learn to delegate. Like we just spoke about that you need to delegate your work. Why do most of the women are like, मैं सब कर लूंगी,
नहीं पर ये
मुझे हेल्प मत करो, मैं देख लूंगी. And most of the housewives, my mom, like even if I enter the kitchen, she's like, नहीं नहीं, you go, like मैं देख लूंगी, मैं कर लूंगी. She'll only get stressed, she'll only get angry at the end of the day, and she'll only break down. So I keep telling her that you ask for help. Ask somebody that you take care of this. I will take care of this, sort of a thing.
बिकॉज तुम्हें या किसी और को ये काम सिखाने का जो हेडेक है वो खुद वो काम करने से बहुत ज्यादा है
Yeah, that is true.
सो डेलीगेशन का पॉइंट सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि मैं हेल्प नहीं मांग पा रही हूँ मैम लाइक अरे मैं बता भी दूंगी तो फिर तुमसे करवाने में जितना टाइम लगेगा
हाँ
जितना स्लो तुम करोगी फिर मुझे बार बार वही बताना पड़ेगा उससे अच्छा मैं 2 मिनट में कर लूँ
हाँ
Now, many leaders, men and women alike, they struggle with delegation for the same thing.
yeah
अभी इसका कोर ये है delegation का that if I want to grow, going back to the why, if I want to become that person and if I want to focus on things that would matter to me then ये काम मुझे I have to let go of it.
yes
Okay, and it actually comes from fixed mode because if I let go of it, you might not do it exactly how I do it.
to even accept that.
No, I want you to learn, but do it exactly my way. तो अगर तुम वैसे कपड़ों की घड़ी नहीं करोगी तो मम्मी को नहीं पसंद है तो वो
Yeah.
कहते मैं ही कर लेती हूँ
हाँ
पर क्योंकि तुम्हें बताने के बावजूद भी you'll not do what she wants you to do.
yeah so fix
And perfectionism like that, where fear of making mistakes or making no mistake allowed, is fixed mode. So people in fixed mode can't delegate easy.
yeah so true. Yes, and as you very rightly said that most leadership roles, they struggle with this after a certain point.
Yes, and because जैसे आप ग्रोथ कर रहे हो करियर में जब आपका ग्रोथ चल रहा है then you are rewarded for doing things on your own. And suddenly you become a leader in a strategic role and you're like अभी आप लोगों से करवाओ and like पर they don't do exactly how I do. I know leaders by the way जो लोगों का काम खुद कर लेते हैं because वो नहीं समझा पा रहे इस बंदे को या किसी को and then they would like give credit to the younger team saying that उन्होंने कर लिया
उन्होंने कर लिया.
कि वो रिपोर्ट मंगा रहे हैं खुद बैठ के रिपोर्ट इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं सबमिट कर रहे हैं इम्प्रूव्ड रिपोर्ट बिकॉज लाइक इसको बताने से अच्छा मैं खुद ही कर लूँ
Got it.
सो इट्स अ ह्यूज लैक ऑफ स्किल सेट एंड इट रिक्वायर्स यू टू बी ओके विथ इम्परफेक्शंस जो लोगों को नहीं करना होता है दे वांट टू लाइक दे वांट थिंग्स देयर वे माय
एक
वे
चुटकी
और
discomfort.
हाईवे
एक चुटकी discomfort is the way. Okay, the next thing is people suffer with identity issues.
Yeah.
A lot of women. How can, that's a major mindset block that women go through. So a lot of women will introduce themselves like, I am XY's daughter, I am his wife. They don't know who they really are, what they really like. So what would you tell these people if they are setting themselves out there and they want to start exploring themselves?
It's sad, no?
Yeah.
When I think about it, I'm like, किसी की परछाई बन के रहने में हमारी आइडेंटिटी हम ढूंढते कितना भी ढूंढ ले eventually it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Because you're dependent on that person. And many people realize it only when they see how people they care for don't care for them enough. So if you want to do it to prove a point, you're setting yourself for another failure. So first remember, motive सही होना चाहिए. किसी को प्रूव करने के लिए, किसी की इंसल्ट का जवाब देने के लिए, इफ यू बिल्ड योर आइडेंटिटी, तो आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, शायद वो लोग आपकी बातें नहीं मानेंगे, आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देंगे. So don't do it for that, and it's a tough one. And this is where we find, like for example, when I left home, all I wanted is my father to say that I made a right decision. That's all I wanted.
Yeah.
पर जब उन्होंने कह दिया 9 साल बाद जब हमारी बात हुई रहती है, you did so well and he apologized and all of that. उसके बाद ना स्नेहा, honestly, it took couple of years for me to find my excitement again. मैंने कहा अभी क्या करने का?
Hmm.
जब तक वो नहीं दे रहे थे तब तक वो मेरा अचीवमेंट था, पर
Hmm.
जब उन्होंने दे दिया उसके बाद आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से। आई एम लाइक व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दिस, राइट? सो लोगों की वैलिडेशन के लिए काम करना इज नॉट वेरी हेल्दी.
Hmm.
So if your desire for identity is coming because you lack validation today, तो मत करना, ठीक है? अपने आप के लिए करना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I feel if you're rediscovering yourself at a certain age and you're like, okay, अभी मैंने career से break लिया and now I have to get back to my work and people are not valuing me enough, I feel I'm less of. Like I remember listening to Rani Mukherjee. उनकी इंटरव्यू में after her child when she was going back for Hichki, and for that movie she was like sitting there and questioning, am I a good actor?
Yeah.
Imagine after doing so many
Like-
movies, she's like, will I be able to do this on the first day of the shoot? And she was guilty to leave her child behind. So it doesn't matter how great you were, right? This thought of lack of identity can creep in any time. Solution itna hi hai to ask yourself, who would I like to design myself to become? मैं कहती हूँ उसको नेक्स्ट अवतार.
Hmm.
कैन यू बिल्ड योर नेक्स्ट अवतार? कि अभी डर लग रहा है, अभी लग रहा है कि मैं कहीं पे भी नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, what do you want to become? That next avatar, Sneha, she is the author. She has these many followers, and you start meeting that Neha more often,
Hmm.
slowly. जब वो वाली नेहा के स्नेहा सॉरी जब वो वाली स्नेहा के साथ फ्रेंडशिप हो जाएगी and you start hanging with that person in your mind as a mental game, then the identity externally validation नहीं होगा, internally it will become an inspiration.
Got it.
Like I used to dream about speaking well.
Hmm.
I used to dream about being on the stage and not fumbling, right? And when I think about it, took 20 years of like learning small things and being in the process. पर आज जब मैं लोगों से बात करती हूँ and when I'm like talking to thousands of people, I'm like, okay, it just feels like it is the future avatar that I had in mind for that Aditi.
Hmm.
So वो उससे दोस्ती कर करके internal identity first, and then externally people align, they clap for you. But if they don't clap for you, you have you.
Got it. But for somebody who's lost completely their identity, like for housewives, for that matter of fact, I was just talking to somebody and she's like, I have had 2 kids. She's in her 40s. And she's like, I've had 2 kids. And I've been literally inside the house from 9 years, like from the point of pregnancy. Like one child grew up, then the second. She's like, I have lost touch of who I am anymore. I don't know who I am because I'm just doing roles. And she literally asked me, Sneha, what can I do? How can I start knowing, how can I get to know my truest self? So any tool or any hack you have for these people?
I also see a lot of women in their 40s and 50s making career shift. So तभी भी ये सेम फीलिंग आती है
हाँ.
कि यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छा आ गया पर अभी मुझे नहीं पता, या फिर मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, ब्रेक के बाद वापस जा रही हूँ, नहीं
Starting
पता.
from zero, yeah.
So do not try to create your old self.
Okay.
First rule.
Hmm.
Do not try to say कि how do I become that person? I have to be bubbly, I have to be this. No, that person is gone. Or that person's relevance was there. You are standing here, point A. अभी मुझे किसको, what do I want to create that new person to be?
Hmm.
And no, I really like it. A simple way to know what I really want to create is look around and see who are the people that you really appreciate. इसका ड्रेसिंग सेंस,
Hmm.
इसकी बात करने का तरीका, इसका काम करने का तरीका, इसका इन कंट्रोल का तरीका, वी ऑल नो. एंड वो मूवी के कैरेक्टर्स में मिल सकता है, वो लोगों में मिल सकता है, वो कहीं पे बुक्स में मिल सकता है, बट यू स्टार्ट काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ कोलाज of these things that you would like to become and start putting that mental idea of ये नए वाले कैरेक्टर में मैं क्या क्या लिखूंगी.
Okay. So you sort of redesign your...
You redesign it.
Hmm.
And if you go back, जो मैं शुरुआत में कह रही थी कि अगर ये पॉइंट है और मैं पीछे जाके सोच रही हूँ पर मैं यहाँ से, ये मेरा ट्रॉमा है, ये मेरा डिजायर था, मैं ऐसी थी, it will not help you. Can I start this as point A? आज शुरुआत करके यहाँ से आगे कहाँ जाना है. And when you start creating it, it becomes a game. So when you fail to be that person, if you're not that cool, if you're not that authority, whatever that is, then you're like, oops, एक चुटकी discomfort, right leg, left leg, growth mode on, I'm going to start again. start again, try this, try that. पर ये game है to become that point B, not like recreate the old version.
Got it.
Because कई बार old version में हम younger होते हैं ना, हम immature भी होते हैं.
तब
So
के
do you want-
circumstances भी अलग होते हैं.
And also you're immature. Like you
Yeah.
want to be that naive. You can't be naive after 9 years of raising 2 kids.
Yes.
Now the point is, if I'm here today, what all being a mother twice over has taught me, and how do I use that to become the point B?
Got it. So you look back, take all that experience, and see how you can apply it to the
Apply
next
it.
avatar that.
And one of my teachers says that, I write poetry and I perform and I act and I do art, all of it. And so, one day he looked at me and he said, Aditi, the position that you have to be a coach and an artist, only you can do certain things because you are exploring things in 2 directions. Right? Because of the unique perspective that I have. Similarly, you have this unique perspective that only you can have.
100%.
No one else can have this.
Yeah.
Because you come from a certain background, like Gujarati family, brought up in Pune, double culture, exploring things from, wanting to be only you can do what your life experience has got you to do.
Yeah.
So अगर हम इस बात को dismiss करते रहेंगे कि मेरे पास वो नहीं है जो किसी और के पास है, तो then we will not use the life story that we have.
Yeah. So you
But-
wouldn't use your resources in the best possible way.
रिसोर्स फिर भी एक्सटर्नल होता है.
हाँ.
मैं कह रही हूँ आपकी
Experience.
लाइफ का हर एक्सपीरियंस आपको यहाँ तक लेके आ रहा है. तो वो गलत, अगर पेनफुल होगा तो गलत नहीं है.
हाँ. Got it.
Mostly people think वो बहुत तकलीफ वाला था. I hope that wouldn't have happened. No, if that wouldn't have happened, you wouldn't have been this person. If I wouldn't have left that house, I wouldn't have cared for helping people so much.
Yes.
If I wouldn't have been dyslexic, I wouldn't have simplified things. And I wouldn't have had so much of empathy in every tool that I create, because mostly when people gave me tools that were like very, very strict and pushy, I couldn't use them. So my inability to use a given resource is the key for starting a new process.
Wonderful. And the last point, which is burnout and stress. Okay.
Yes.
So, what's your take on the line that you can't pour from an empty cup? Like, women actually say this, that you can't pour from an empty cup. But when it comes to applying, most of the women can't apply this in their regular lives.
Yes. So, 2 reasons है इसके burnout के. पहला तो ये मुझे करना पड़ेगा. So that I have to do it.
Yeah.
I cannot say no. वो वाला जो पूरा हमारा conversation था. But if I have to do something, and if I don't want to do it, but I have to do it, what will I do? I'll push myself, drag my feet. And that is the beginning of a burnout. Burnout is never about working a lot. Burnout is about doing things I don't want to do.
Yes.
And my mind is going in another direction, and I'm pushing myself to go in another direction. And that pull, and when the pull snaps the cord, is where burnout happens.
Yeah, when your energy is like drained.
Why is it drained? Not
Because-
by work.
Yeah.
By work that does not nurture you.
Yeah.
और उसका कारण भागना नहीं है. Motive behind the run है.
The same marathon that we spoke about.
तो अगर आप डर से भाग रहे हो, आप करने के लिए कर रहे हो, अचीवमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा, so then you will be tired. But if you're running because you like running, तो कई बार why missing होने वाले लोगों को burnout ज्यादा होता है.
किसको?
Why missing होने वाले लोगों को burnout, उनका अगर कारण ही नहीं है क्यों कर रहे, so they just like keep doing things for the heck of doing it. So मेरा promise है, I refuse to do things most of the time for the heck of doing it. अगर करना ही पड़े तो I would just make that process enjoyable. मतलब क्या है? मतलब you understand that numbers देख के ना मुझे मौत आती है. ऐसे वाले मतलब complex analyze करना, taxation वगैरह. Then I would make it like a little party with another friend of mine who loves number. And I would like, I will do it on my own, but you just be around because it's scary. But you acknowledge it and you're like, can I make it slightly easier for me?
Got it.
Okay. One very important thing, I call the tool pulling the arrow back.
Okay.
उसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ें करनी है जिसके लिए आज बहुत एनर्जी लगने वाली है, तो what is my mechanism to pull the arrow back? So probably meditate, probably to work out, probably find ways in which you create the environment, और वो experiment करते करते हमें पता चलता है. You know, I said, do you want to have coffee right now? And you said, नहीं, I'm already like hyper right now. I don't want to have coffee. It was like,
Yeah.
yeah, how do you know this? Because when you had coffee and you observed yourself, it didn't work for you before your podcast recording. Similarly, what works for you to calm down?
Hmm.
So food, people, environment, music.
So कुछ ऐसा करो जो
podcast.
आपको खुशी दे. So
खुशी
that
नहीं,
pull
खुशी-
back.
खुशी नहीं. खुशी is one thing.
हाँ.
But what would help me pull my arrow back? So energy reserve.
Energy.
So ये energy reserve हो गया
हाँ.
arrow में, और फिर वो arrow आगे जाएगा.
Got
अगर मैंने खींचा ही नहीं तो इधर ही गिर जाएगा.
Hmm.
But if I have the ability to pull it back enough, knowing कि आज ये मुश्किल काम करना है.
Hmm. Beautiful. What do you do when you?
Oh, so depending on अभी तो मेरे पास मेन्यू कार्ड है. Depending on मुझे क्या करना है आज के दिन में, I would choose. So days I do leadership labs, I would like spend a lot of time in silence in the morning and in the evening after that. And if I don't get my time alone, then that becomes a problem. I would do some form of workout, mostly yoga, so that my muscles are completely relaxed. When I have to talk a lot, which is not very easy for me, I would do a practice called calmness S-stroke, which is a technique that calms my nerves and calms my body, so that I know कि बात करने के लिए जो active energy लगेगी, I would do that. The days I have my one-on-one high performance coaching the days where I have my one-on-one high performance coaching sessions, I know I have to like switch between multiple sessions. So in the break, I literally take 7 minutes nap.
Okay.
Or I would do like meditation, which are like quicker, because I know I need to reset myself to be ready.
Got it.
Because sessions बहुत intense होते हैं, and the leaders, everybody comes with a big problem and
हाँ.
complex. I need to be like fully physically be set. But all of these are games.
Hmm.
Depending on what works for you, you keep creating, and depending on the day you can change. But ये हम तभी कर पाएंगे when we truly have right leg, left leg, growth mode on.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This was a wonderful conversation. Absolutely loved every bit of it. And I'm sure that you've answered so many things. Like, I think all of us go through this constant dialogue in our heads. And all of this is what I was seeking answers for. And you've been perfect. Thank you so
happy.
much.
I want to leave with like a last thought here.
Yeah.
Life complicated होगी, चीजें बिगड़ेंगी, and we feel that people should support us, and I genuinely believe that if you get people to support you, is amazing. There's one Kabir ka doha that I keep reminding myself with. कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. So eventually people will be doing what is best for them. So you please lean on them, you delegate, you find friends, everything. But eventually you lean on them, but you count on yourself. If you have your back, you'll figure it out.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Welcome. I'm so happy. Thank you for doing it for women.
Yes. Thank you.
Well, I hope that conversation has left no room for excuses, and all of us are ready to embrace a little bit of discomfort to grow in life. Do share this episode with your friends and family, and I would love to hear each one of you in the comments below. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep rising and embracing in love, and do not forget, I don't.